Hello everyone, this is Siam from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Thursday, 2nd of December 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, where in the previous videos, as we said, it has been moving in a downwards correctional movement, which we expected to target around level 112.70 in the 4-hour time frame. Recently, we can see that the pair has achieved level 112.70 and continued to rebound upwards off of it in order to correct before continuing the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, which started upon breaking down through level 113.60 and was further confirmed with the breaking down through level 113. It is important to note that this current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame is considered to be a downwards correctional movement in the overall uptrend in the daily time frame, where we can see that level 112.70 resembles the last low formed in the uptrend in the daily time frame, and therefore, by breaking downwards through it, which is the more probable scenario, in this case, we will be expecting the pair to target around level 111.70 as a primary target in the expected downtrend in the daily time frame and in the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the rebounding upwards off of around level 30 from inside the oversold area, the pair is expected to correct before continuing with the overall downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. However, unless it breaks upwards to level 113.60, then we are still moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's move on to the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame inside the overall sideways movement in the daily time frame, and recently we can see that after it broke down through level 0.6860, it is currently being traded around level 0.68, which resembles an important horizontal support level for the pair in the daily time frame. And due to that, along with the RSI moving below level 30 inside the oversold area, it is expected to rebound upwards off of around the current levels in order to continue with the sideways movement in the daily time frame. However, in the 4-hour time frame, due to the overall trend being a downtrend, then we are expecting it to break down through level 0.68 in order to continue with the downtrend and target around level 0.6725, then 0.6650 as primary targets in the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. It is important to note that the continuity of the overall sideways movement in the daily time frame will only be confirmed upon the breaking upwards to level 0.6860. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding downwards off of around level 50, it supports the continuity of the current downtrend. That was it for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the Nasdaq index. In the previous videos, we said that the Nasdaq index is moving in a downwards correctional movement in the 4-hour time frame inside the overall uptrend in the daily time frame. Recently, we can see that the index has broken down through level 16,000 near the broken neckline of the head and shoulders pattern that has been previously formed, which indicates that in the 4-hour time frame, the downtrend has officially started and will now continue to target around level 15,600, then around level 15,225, which, if we notice the daily time frame, we can see that it is close to the uptrend line in the daily time frame. Due to that, upon reaching these levels, we will be then expecting the index to rebound upwards off of around that level in order to continue with the overall uptrend. However, in the 4-hour time frame, as we said, the main target for breaking down through the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern is level 15,600, then 15,225. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to it moving between level 30 and 50, it shows the current downtrend, even though it has rebounded upwards off of around level 30 near the oversold area. That was it for the Nasdaq index. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.